Hi. So you are probably looking to expand your company, and you know you have to write blog articles and produce your social media content. And whether you know what to put out or if you have an idea, this video will help you because the reality is, and the great news is, it's easy. We as humans have a tendency to overcomplicate our situation. So I'm going to break down what you need to focus on when creating your content. Your customers, especially for your pressure washing, artificial turf, anything especially construction, landscaping, yes, they will research. But to acquire new customers, they are going to be looking for very simple things. So your article needs to address their very basic challenge and then present you as a solution. So what would an article like this be formatted as and what might it look like? Simply, it could be, say you have a patio. I have a patio that is green and it's slippery, or perhaps it's dangerous for my kids. Your article would simply be a title such as, um, how to fix your slippery green patio. Then you describe why it should be done, the long-term benefits, how it can be a safety issue, and then you eventually break down and you present the solution from you as the expert. In this case, there's different solutions in what people like to use. So I'm not going to go over the methods of your industry and what to use. That's another discussion, and I'm something we can always have a call on and create custom content strategies for you. But if you follow that basic principle, identify they need to know they have a problem, make sure they're aware, which is usually very simple. It's like we said in the beginning, I have a green patio, go through why it's an issue, how you'll solve that problem, and then offer the solution as an easy way to get a hold of you through your website. Give me a call, and then you go on site, you do the quote, and land the job. And that is your tip on how to really easily produce your content in your blog articles and social media. Oh, and a last bonus tip in here, you can make videos on it. You can make videos of yourself actually doing the work and then putting it on a channel and grow a YouTube channel. And you can use a YouTube channel as another part of your marketing strategy because people love to see what you do. And those descriptions in that YouTube channel, you can put in your blog article or bits of it that are relevant because that works towards your SEO. But you want to make sure it's relevant to YouTube. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to speaking with you again.